Look at all that room. What's going on, guys? Here we are. Just got done finally with my fuel bowl delete. There it is. As you can see, there's tons of room now to work on anything. As you can see, this little booger here, that was very hard to get to with the fuel bowl when I was changing that out, but now there is all kinds of room. There it is. There's the setup. I'm still running a manual pump. In the future, if I want to go to electric, I'm halfway there. Here's my Marshall fuel regulator. Here it is. It's already preset at 65 PSI. There's my hoses. There it is. There's my Wix fuel filter with the water separator on the bottom. It's a very nice kit. It's out of the way. Very clean looking. So if you guys are interested in this cool kit, I can tell you this much. The price that he's selling these kits for is a lot less than what you're going to find on the internet. So definitely check out the link below. It's to his eBay page. It's Crude Diesel. He's got a bunch of stuff if you want to do a crossover for any of the 7.3s and even the newer Fords. He does them too with the oil crossover. And the newest thing out that right now that he has is the actual fuel bowl delete for the 7.3s. It's almost a necessity if you do work on your truck. As you can see, it just opens up the engine where you can get to everything without any issues. So I will be posting another video on this kit, doing a step-by-step install on my other 7.3 here in about a week or so. All right. First start, I'm pretty sure there's going to be some cranking going on because there's air in the system. Hopefully not. Don't want to run the batteries down, but here we go. Woo! First crank. Gotta love that mechanical pump. That was incredible. First crank. I mean, the only thing I done is prime the filter. I filled it up completely, but I thought I was gonna have to crank it like after putting injectors in, but holy shit, that was incredible. So yeah. If you guys are interested, I'm telling you, check out his eBay page because you will not beat his prices on this delete kit. But thanks for watching. See you on the next video. And I'll do a step-by-step on my other 7.3 on this fuel bowl delete kit.